What if I told you that your favorite hobby, the thing you do for fun, could actually make you money? Most people think hobbies are just for relaxation, but in reality, many people turn their passions into full-time incomes. Whether you love painting, gaming, writing, or even gardening, there's a way to monetize it and earn real money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your hobby into an income stream, step by step. Stay till the end because I'll also share the biggest mistakes to avoid when trying to profit from your passion. Let's dive in. Not every hobby makes money easily, but the key is choosing one that people are willing to pay for. Here's how to know if your hobby has money-making potential. Do people already make money doing this? Check YouTube, Etsy, Fiverr, or Instagram. Does it solve a problem or provide entertainment? Are there products or services related to this hobby? For example, love art, sell paintings, digital designs, or teach online classes. Passionate about fitness? Offer workout plans or start a YouTube channel? Great at gaming? Stream on Twitch or create game tutorials. Enjoy photography, sell prints, or offer event photography. If your hobby can help, entertain, or provide value, there's a way to make money from it. Once you've identified your hobby, the next step is choosing how to make money from it. Here are some proven ways. Sell physical or digital products, handmade crafts, jewelry, or artwork on platforms like Etsy and Shopify. Digital products like ebooks, courses, or printables on Gumroad and Teachable. Freelancing and services. Offer your skills like graphic design, writing, or music production on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You can also offer photography, tutoring, or coaching services. Content creation and social media. Start a YouTube channel, TikTok, or blog where you share your expertise. You can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Live events and classes, host workshops, online courses, or webinars to teach your skill. You can teach music, language, or craft classes. The best part? You don't need a huge audience. You just need the right people interested in what you offer. Now that you know how to monetize your hobby, it's time to get noticed. First, use social media. Share your work on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Engage with communities in your niche. Start a website or portfolio. Showcase your skills and make it easy for people to buy from you. Leverage marketplaces. Use Etsy, Fiverr, or Redbubble to reach ready-to-buy customers. Offer free value first post tutorials, behind the scenes, or helpful tips to attract followers who will later buy from you. The secret? Be consistent. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities will come. Part 4. Mistakes to avoid when monetizing your hobby. Mistake number 1, only focusing on money. If you chase money without passion, you'll burn out quickly. Focus on value first. Mistake number 2, underpricing yourself. Many people undervalue their work. Research the market and charge what you're worth. Mistake number 3, not promoting enough. Even the best work won't sell if no one sees it. Marketing is just as important as creating. Mistake number 4, giving up too soon. It takes time to build a profitable hobby. Stay consistent, improve, and adapt. Your hobby is more than just a pastime. It's a potential income source waiting to be unlocked. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. Which hobby are you thinking of monetizing? Drop a comment below, and if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more money-making tips. See you in the next video.